So for step number 1, I'm gonna be using ChatGPT to create wonderful prompts of a stick picture. So as you can see over here, I've given a viral stick picture over here. So I've asked ChatGPT to basically give the prompt regarding this image. So I've written here is a reference image of a kind of a short video I want to create. So basically this is a viral stick figure and I have basically demanded a prompt for this AI generated image. So ChatGPT basically gave me a prompt regarding this, and I've also asked a story idea for this, and I have also asked ChatGPT to give me a story and sequence of prompts over here, as you guys can see, so that I can create different scenes out of it. So as you can see over here, we have a prompt: waking up late, running late for work, coffee disaster, computer crash at work, the dramatic exit. So we are going to be using these prompts and generating the images out of those. Alright guys, for the step number 2, I'm gonna be using FlexClip AI to generate images out of those prompts that we just got from ChatGPT. So I've copy pasted that prompt ChatGPT gave me of a stick figure character. So over here, as you can see, we have a style box in which we have to choose different styles. We are creating stick figure characters, so I'm going to be using the line art model over here, and for the ratio I'm going to be using 9 by 16 because it is best suitable for mobiles and devices. So let's just generate the image and check. So over here it has started generating image. Alright guys, as you can see, it has generated the stick figure character over here. So now you guys have an idea how you can create these images with the help of prompts that ChatGPT gave you, and how to use these models and write your prompt over here in FlexClip. So let me just jot down all the prompts and generate the images step by step and just show you how those images are generated. Alright guys, so these are the results of all the prompts that ChatGPT gave me, and you can see these all stick figure characters. Alright, for the next step we have to create videos out of these images. So for that I'm gonna be using Hailuo AI in the step number 3. So once you log in the Hailuo AI, you will see this type of interface. So over here we have to create a video, so I'm gonna be selecting this option, create video. Alright guys, so here you can see we have a box where you can upload an image, and here you can enter any prompt to enhance your image. So let me just drag that image over here. So let me give a prompt over here that it is lifting weight, so that this AI gets an idea what to do with that image. So let's just generate. You have 30 credits over here, and total we have 100 credits in their free plan. If you want to upgrade your plan, it will be shifted to unlimited, so you can create as much as you want. So let's just generate this straight away. So as you can see, our generation is on the way. Alright guys, so this is the final video of that image, in which you can see how perfectly it is lifting the weights and everything is aligning perfect. There is no distortion effect over here. So let me just put all the images over here and just generate the videos out of them. Alright guys, as you can see, these are all the videos that I just generated. I mean, look at that. In this, the stick figure character is running, the people are looking at it, and it's running, people are walking. Over here it seems sad, and over here our animation shows us that it's getting late for the office. So as you guys can see, one thing in all of these generations, that the stick figure character is talking. As you can see over here, it's running and it's talking, and it's getting late for the bus and it's yelling towards the driver, and also here it's taking the shower and it seems like it is getting late for the office. Alright guys, for the voiceovers and the audio details, I'm gonna be using the ElevenLabs in the step number 4. So here you can train any AI model and you can just generate speech of any text message. So let me generate it and give you guys an idea about how you can do that. So as you can see, error again. Alright, so let me generate the audio of all the images. Moreover, you can also use Pixabay also to add any kinds of sound or background music to your videos. Alright guys, so for our final step, step number 5, we are going to be using an editor to just align all the videos that we just generated right now and add the voiceovers to it so that the videos look good. So I've just aligned all the videos as you can see over here, and I've also added a background music to it. Let me just give it a try, and the sound also matches the animation. So all the voiceovers that I just generated from ElevenLabs are also merged over here, as you can see. So as you can see over here, it's drinking the coffee and the sound effect is perfectly sitting over here. So let me just show you the final output of that. Alright guys, so this is the final video that we just created by using all the steps that I just mentioned before. So let me just show you that.
Oh my god, it's 9 and I'm even not ready for the office. Boss gonna kill me. I have a lot of work pending. I am already late. Hurry. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Run, 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 run. Driver, wait for me. I'm already late. What the hell is this? Error again. I should never be doing this job. It sucks every time I'm leaving. Let's go to the gym and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright guys, so by now I'm pretty much sure that you guys have a clear idea of how you can create these wonderful Rico animations of your own. From step number 1 to step number 5, step by step. From generating prompts through ChatGPT, creating the images out of those prompts, creating the videos out of those images, and aligning all of them by adding all the sound effects and background music to your video. I think and hope you guys create wonderful Rico animations like this with your own creativity. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.